So we're here and we're about to get ready to drill our cross half section, which is right here. We're going to drill in the center of that. Now, for this, it's very important. We're just going to move this out of the way, which means you're going to come back and loosen that. You're just going to slide it around so it's out of the way. I'm going to move the clamp there to the bottom. I'm going to grab a little spacer piece. This is a spacer and it's going to come sit in the center there. Now it's very important that your spacer bit is thinner than your actual bit. So as you can see, there's a bit of room there. So it's going to just sit there to make sure it's sitting flat. And that's going to come sit on top, and I'm going to do this up. Nice and flat, making sure that I'm happy that that's sitting central and flat. From there, I need to come across here, and we're going to bring this down. Getting that, once again, as central as possible. Now, set that up so it's touching there. And then I want you to move this up here. I'm going to shift that down to about 15 millimeters above where it needs to be, so I can come down just a smidge more. I'm going to tighten that back up there, because that's going to once again stop us from going too far. It's going to stop us there, which is 20 mil through the piece, which is fine. A little bit extra, a little bit under, it's not a big issue with this. It's not an exact art. From this one, you've got to set this one up accurately. So take your time. Once again, it could be handy to get someone else to come through and hold this. Take your time getting it set up just right. Now, I'm very happy with that. Sometimes I come down and do a little bit of an indent to make sure that it's going to sit central. I'm just moving it across so it's a little bit more where I want it. And then I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to drill that through. Very slowly, holding the piece down the bottom. Very slowly, we're drilling this through, taking our time. Now it's imperative that these are accurately drilled, otherwise your pieces will not come together. Don't just let it go. You must rewind it back up because you can damage the mechanisms inside. Then you come down, stop that, unclamp your piece, and then with any luck, these two pieces will go together. Always do one of each and then test. The worst thing in the world is to do it wrong 4 times over. Alrighty, look forward to seeing you in the next video.